Good day world. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my blog. English, Arabic Basic Translation Tutorial. Ginger, zanjabil. Garlic, thumb. Onion, basil. Breakfast, futur. Lunch, gadha. Dinner, asha. Chicken, dj. Meat, lamb. Cheap meat, lamb. Cow, bakara. Cow meat, lahim albaka. Camel, jamal. Camel meat, lahim aljamal. Fish, samak. Milk, halib. Water, moya. Salad, salada. Tea, shahi. Coffee, gawa. Sausage, nugan. Cheese, joban. Cooking, tabak. Gas, gaz. Room, gurfa. Hot, harara. Cold, barid. Ice, algalid. Snow, thalgen. Aircon, takiyaf al-hawa. Current, hadia. Light, door. House, manzil. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. See you in the next one.